Hey guys, what's up? It's CBGK Vlogs, and I am in Orange Beach, Alabama, and we have a condo that a friend let us rent for. We're gonna be here tomorrow for the full day, and they're gonna leave the next day, so on Sunday. So I'm just gonna give you a little tour. So yeah, let's do that. So this is my room. I have 2 beds, my closet, and I'm probably gonna sleep on this bed. And here's my view. Here, let's put this in. So yeah, I can get to the deck, but I don't want to open it right now because it cuts off the AC. This is the bathroom. So mirrors, the shower, and yeah, so it's pretty nice. Low ceiling. Turn off these lights. And yeah, almost all the walls are, and the roof is blue and like teal. So this is the kitchen. It's really nice, actually. I really like it. Like, this is probably newer than our actual house. So we got the fridge. That's just the washroom and all that. This dining room there, and really good painting, TV, and this TV has Netflix, Amazon, and iHeartRadio. So yeah, I'm gonna go pull that line in. Hi.
How many are you?
Watching a show. Look, I was on the deck and see. So this is the deck. We got a really nice view of the beach, which I really like. I could do like a podcast like this, especially now it's in, but I could try. And down there, right here, I'm gonna go to my room. That's the dining room. This is the dining room. This is my room. You can see. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty nice. That's pretty much the full thing. Oh, I have to show you my dad. This is my dad's room for the night. And then this is the bathroom. My dad. Shower. Yeah, it's pretty nice. And that's what we may do. Dad.
Did you close the door that you went out?
So you guys, matters how much time on this video I have. Like if it's under 5 minutes, then I'm gonna make it one big vlog. If it's 5 minutes or higher, then I'm gonna do daily. So yeah, that's how this is gonna go. I think we're probably gonna do daily. Probably will be a lot easier. So yeah. So we're not gonna be here for very long, but the beach is right down there, and we have 2 pools, and then we have an indoor one right across the street, and we have a gym and a sauna, which will be pretty good. But I'm not allowed to use the gym yet. But yeah, so I'll see you next thing we do. My favorite show, True TV. Let's watch this match. See how this goes. They're pretty good. Oh, well. Get back in formation. Uh-oh. That was very good. The ECU is a little bit better than the other team. But we're trying to think that, I mean, right now we're not doing much, but hopefully we can just like, sorry about that, but here's my room. Not much to do. I mean, we have a bunch like this, and we have 2 boogie boards and a beach ball. We went boogie boarding earlier, but my phone is dead. But honestly, we just go see if I can get because I can't see. Go somewhere around there. I really hope I don't drop my phone. But and then we just go over there. Like it's really close to the beach, like on the beach. Oh god. No. I almost just dropped. Oh. Okay, so guys, we might go down to the beach in a minute. So yeah, I'll bring you down with me. Okay, so we're on the way to Waffle House. Okay, we're done eating and we are heading back to the condo, and we're probably like gonna do something there. Man, right now it's almost 8 o'clock, it's 7:53 to be exact. Whew. And it's so empty, like there are like maybe 100 people right here, maybe. Well, probably like 50. There's a family, hi. Hi, home. I'm a vlogger. I'm just a vlogger, dude. Don't worry about me, I'm just a vlogger. I think they're worrying about me. Holy crap, I should have gotten a hat on now, my hair. So, we were gonna go out, but... Wait, is there a flashlight on? Yeah, it doesn't do anything, but... I really don't need to because crabs are out, and I do not like that. It is beautiful.
Ride that one in right there.
There are crabs everywhere, though.
I ain't seen a one.
Yeah, that's why you said, oh, I saw one.
We should go grab that one.
What is that? Oh, that's a turdy. So I'll be back when we get back. Okay, so guys, that was a short clip of the beach that we went to. We saw like 2 crabs, but I'm not into crabs. I hate small things you can't see or humongous things that can attack. But the crabs are like that big maybe, and well, if you know beach, those sand crabs, so you can barely see them. All you see is a little movement. You can't really see it if it's still. So, guys, honestly, I think I'm just gonna do daily vlogs for this beach. Will be 3 vlogs pretty much. Today was the first day, then tomorrow will be the full day, which will probably be the better vlog. And then the day after will be the way back the way back vlog. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep recording just in case we do something. I'm gonna stop recording and upload it when I go to bed. We're just about to go to bed, so, yeah. So, yeah, see if I do anything.
Video?
How much should it move? It's like a little bit, like just like in the beginning.
What?
No, it's not video.
See? That shirt blowing in the wind?
Oh, it's this new thing. It's like a live photo. Okay, so guys, that's the end of this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we just got done watching Heavyweights, and it is, I don't know if you can say 10:24. So hope y'all guys enjoyed, and see you tomorrow.